You ready to go?
I am. Day 3 arrived and it was time to get certified.
So we went to check out the RV Technical Institute.
The RV Technical Institute just celebrated 5 years. We started from really a dream to what you see today with over 22,000 students. We are built by the industry. When I say the industry, the manufacturers, the suppliers, the folks that built your rig helped us create the curriculum and are really the power behind what we do today. These technicians that we train confidently will fix and repair your RV safely, correctly. We wanted something that was a lifelong sustainable learning program.
This is our electrical board. We use this for troubleshooting any kind of problems that we'd have in the system. This is your basic design of a fifth wheel. We have a power that comes from our 50 amp service. It's like our power pedestal that comes from the campground.
Yep.
We actually teach them how that power flows through the system in an actual fifth wheel in real time. And then we have troubleshooting faults inside here that we can actually trigger so those students or learners can learn how to troubleshoot in real time to cut down on those repair times.
Right now, this is what the inside of my brain looks like trying to figure it out.
Absolutely, it is a lot to look at.
Well, let's go see the right side of it.
Okay.
So what do we have on this side?
So this is our electrical board that everything works on. What we do is we show them how the functionalities of these things actually work. We can flip switches and turn them on so they can see how it actually works. So if there was a problem, they can better identify it.
After seeing this makes me want to take the course. I mean, I like the hands-on approach to learning the systems that are in an RV.
I think we need to check out our calendar and see if we can fit it in.
I'm ready to go. Let's go see another module.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, I feel like I'm in an RV now. Look, this is the completed RV here.
Absolutely. This is our level 1 hands-on. We do everything for our level 1 based off of the RV. So we do our system pressure test. We also have them do a static water test and a few other things that are on this as well. All the way up to the LP test, we teach you behind all the measurements and to make sure you have a sealed system that is safe for the end user to use.
Talk about real-world training.
We've stepped forward in the industry for having pre-delivery inspections, and the more we train people to do these things, the better our product will be when it reaches the customer.
And the happier the customer will be.
Absolutely.
I love that you guys are helping to keep that RVer happy, that your end user really is the RVer.
It's all about the momentum.
Think about your house. When you think about all the systems that are in that house, the electrical system, the plumbing system, the appliances, your HVAC system, that's what a technician learns here at RVTI. What better program than our level 1 exposes you to all of those? And we'll be teaching that with the idea that they might find that electrical is more interesting to him, and they might go pursue being an electrician, which we all know. We need electricians, we need plumbers. So it's a pretty cool thing.
We partner with over 800 dealership locations nationwide, so they can train their technicians as well. So they can either send them here for level 1 and level 2, they can train them at their dealership themselves, or they can do our online program as well.
And you're also trying to get into and reach into schools. You're doing currently high school programs.
Yeah, absolutely. So we just partnered with Littleton Public Schools out in Colorado. They have an Epic campus out there, and so what we're able to do is teach high school students level 1. So they will be able to graduate with their diploma and then graduate with their level 1 certificate.
Nice, that's what schools need.
And go right out to work. And even if they don't want to go into the RV industry, they've learned skills like electrical, HVAC, plumbing. They could become a plumber.
Yep.
So you're giving them those skills already, which we need in this country.
Yeah, absolutely. We're working hard to try to expand that to other high schools as well.
The whole curriculum was always built with the idea that most of the training is going to happen across the country through these learning partners. So when that student comes out, they are fully certified and can go right to work. And these are sustainable careers. Whether you're a dealer technician or a mobile tech, really there is no cap. The average is anywhere between $50,000 to $80,000 with just a year or two experience. After year 3, if you're not making $100,000, you're just choosing not to.
So as you can see, plumbing is one of the areas that we cover and provide hands-on training for. We don't teach specific manufacturers. We teach the broad spectrum, so you know how to troubleshoot and diagnose regardless of the manufacturer.
Our mission's simple. Train technicians, certify them, recruit more in so that the consumer, or in this case your RVers, can have a good experience.
I think we should pack Tyson up, take him with us.
Yeah, I do too. Which hatch do you think he'll fit in?